Is your awning not closing fully? Start by opening it a little bit, just enough to work under, like 30 to 40 centimeters. Use a 4mm Allen key and locate the motor on the left or the right of your awning and find the top screw head. Give it a full turn clockwise towards the plus sign. Then close your awning again to check whether it's now closing fully. If there's a tiny bit left, you want to repeat the process, but this time maybe try only half a turn. Overturning risks damaging the motor, so you want to make adjustments gradually. Each full turn will close the awning by around 35mm to give you an idea. And voila!